This instructional strategy is called an alphabet arc. An alphabet arc is a semicircle of letters arranged in the correct sequence where students place the corresponding letters in order. Why is this important? Well, alphabet knowledge is essential for our early reading and writing skills with our youngest learners. An alphabet arc can help support students with alphabet concepts, including letter identification, matching, and sequencing. So, how is this done? First, print and laminate the following alphabet arcs to use with students. You will notice that there are several alphabet arcs to use. There's one with uppercase or capital letters, one with lowercase, and a few with less scaffolds. Starting out, you will want students to have the full alphabet arc. As students master letter names and the sequence of the alphabet, you can provide the alphabet arc with less scaffolds. Have students use plastic or foam letters so that students can name the letter and place it on the corresponding letter. You could even extend it for students to produce the sound. You can support sequencing and directionality by using language such as left, right, medial, and final. Additional considerations. For our younger students, to begin, make sure that you use the full alphabet arc. Provide scaffolds as necessary and ensure that you are using the same procedure and verbiage each time. Provide keywords for letters. For our older students, while this is an activity primarily for younger students, using language such as left, right, medial, and final can be helpful for older students within a dyslexia therapy or reading intervention setting. And for our students with disabilities, ensure that you are scaffolding and chunking. Initially, you may just be focusing on getting letter placement correct for one or two letters. Ensure that you are using the same procedure and verbiage each time. And there you have it, a simple instructional strategy that you can use to boost early literacy skills.